The right pair of pants can elevate any look. From classic staples to modern trends, let's take a look at 20 essential types of pants for men, going from dressy to casual. Let's dive in. Tuxedo pants are designed for formal wear and feature a satin stripe down the outer leg. Suit pants are semi-formal and designed to be worn as part of a suit. Dress pants are tailored for formal or semi-formal occasions and often worn with a blazer. Wool pants are warm and sophisticated, ideal for cooler weather. Pleated pants feature fabric folds at the waistband for comfort and a classic touch. Chinos are lightweight, versatile cotton pants that are perfect for business casual. Khakis are cotton trousers in beige or light brown for a relaxed yet polished look. Linen pants are a light, natural fabric, perfect for warm weather. Corduroy pants feature plush vertical ribbing for a cozy aesthetic. Jeans are a timeless and durable staple suitable for nearly any casual occasion. Leather pants are always cool and have an edgy, counterculture allure. Joggers are sporty, tapered pants with cuffs, ideal for lounging or casual outings. Cargo pants feature large pockets on the outer leg and a relaxed fit. Popular with hikers and travelers, zip-off pants convert from long pants to shorts with a zipper on the thigh. Drawstring pants feature a waist tie rather than fitted waist, making them adjustable and comfortable. Sweatpants are cozy pants for lounging or exercising, with an elastic waistband and cuffed ankle. Cropped pants are cut above the ankle for a beachy summer vibe. Slim-fit pants are cut close to your body for a sleek silhouette. Relaxed fit is a looser cut for comfort and ease of movement. Wide leg pants fit loosely for a modern streetwear look. What are your favorite pants? Let us know in the comments.